All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're going to tackle a big question for anyone learning to drive in Mission, British Columbia. We're breaking down the argument for choosing a driving school, and we'll be zeroing in on the approach from young drivers of Canada. So let's dive right in with a really important question. Is just passing the driving test the actual goal here? I mean, think about it. When a new driver gets that license, does that little piece of plastic automatically mean they're a safe, competent driver for life? The source material we're digging into today suggests there's a lot more to it. And this brings us to a key problem that almost every new driver faces, which the source calls the practice gap. So what is it? Well, it's the gap between the sheer number of hours a learner spends driving around and the quality of the skills they're actually building in that time. It's that classic quantity versus quality problem, just logging hours versus truly mastering the skills you need. Okay, so if that's the problem, what's the solution? What really makes a driving school the best one for someone learning in Mission? If the real goal is to build skills that last a lifetime and not just pass a test, what should you actually be looking for? Well, according to what we're looking at, it's definitely not just about finding the cheapest option. It's about a combination of things. First, ICBC approval is a must-have for getting your licensing benefits. The curriculum, it has to go way beyond just test prep. Then there's modern tech that can help you learn outside of the car. And, crucially, you want proof of safety and training that's actually relevant to the roads in Mission. So, how does young drivers tackle this? Well, the source breaks down their whole approach as a direct answer to that practice gap we talked about, and it's built on three main pillars. First up, there's the curriculum itself, and it's described as a gold standard for a reason. This isn't just about learning to parallel park to squeak by on your test. No, we're talking about real defensive driving techniques, sharpening how you spot hazards, and even practicing emergency maneuvers. The stuff you hope you never need, but you'll be so glad you know if you do. All right, pillar number 2, hitting that practice gap head on. The program does this with really structured practice plans and clear feedback. The whole idea is to turn that practice time you do with your parents from just, driving around the block into focused sessions that actually build skills and make every minute behind the wheel count. And the third piece of the puzzle? Technology. This is where things get really interesting. The source highlights a special app, the Driver's Coach, which is designed to guide and measure all the practice that happens between your pro lessons. So what does this app actually do? Well, think of it like a professional coach sitting in the passenger seat, even when it's just you and your mom or dad. It uses AI to guide your practice, it's got smart test prep questions, and it even tracks your sessions with scores so you can see your progress. It's a tool designed to make every single hour of practice matter. Okay, so a fancy curriculum and a cool app. That all sounds great on paper, right? But the real question is, how does any of this actually help you on the roads, in and around Mission? In the Fraser Valley. And this is where the rubber literally meets the road. A driver in Mission has to handle a bit of everything. You've got to merge onto a busy Highway 1, navigate the Lougheed Hwy, deal with that frequent rain, and tackle those hilly, rural roads. Mastering these specific conditions is what makes a truly confident driver, not just one who can pass a test. To put it all into perspective, the source material gives us this handy little comparison chart of the local options. You can see how it breaks things down not just by price, but by what they offer, like contrasting a really structured, tool-supported approach against more traditional or basic training methods. It frames the choice in a totally different way. And if you're wondering, does this all-in approach actually work? Well, the source gives us a pretty powerful number to chew on. This comes from a survey of YDC grads. Almost 97% of them reported being collision-free or not being at fault in any incidents. That's a huge indicator of real-world safety. Okay, so let's put all the pieces together. If you're a family in Mission, what's the actual game plan? How do you go from getting your learner's permit to becoming a confident driver ready for anything? The source lays it all out in a super clear 6-step path. First, you've got to confirm you're eligible with ICBC. Then you get in touch with the local Mission Center to pick a package. After that, the learning kicks in with e-learning modules, followed by your in-car lessons. And right in the middle, that crucial step, using the app to make your practice really count. And it all leads up to the final step, booking that road test, feeling totally prepared. And of course, for all the practical stuff, like, pricing and exact schedules, the guide says your best bet is to just contact the Mission Center directly to get the local details. So, when all is said and done, this whole explainer really boils down to one final thought. It pushes us to ask a bigger question than just the cost of lessons. The real question is this: what's the true price of genuine, lifelong confidence behind the wheel?